Skip the ad, and you are here. We are ready to go. Amber, Tony, Frank, and Nick F. Looks like I know who my true best friends are now, don't I? Yes, I do. I just checked like 30 seconds per Amber, I'm telling you, Frank is unbeatable. I know when I'm scheduling the live. I schedule the live. I open up YouTube. I open up the live. Frank's in here. I'm convinced, like, if you guys don't watch Frank's live tonight, I'm convinced that Frank is a bot. And Frank does not. Frank is not a real person. There's no way Frank is real. If Frank was real, Frank would not be able to beat me into my own live stream like that. So, Frank is officially a bot. Now that that's settled and we know, Frank, it's alright, man. You're allowed to be a bot. Fabulous 4. Oh, yes. Wrestler with the eggplant, man. I thought we preferred carrots over eggplants, dude. You're late. Cool Bacon you're late. JJ, good afternoon to you. How you doing? Jacking Dog, how you like that right there? AMC bouncing back nicely. 41.92 right now, up 2.58%. Shiba sitting at 43.20. PROG sitting at 4.54. GME 2.44. And finally 28.65, just hanging out in the 28s the rest of the day. All right. Fine with that one. All right, what do we got here? Oh my gosh. Sorry. You're always slow to the party. Pringleton, it's facts, man. It's facts because I'm, one, convinced that my computer time is slightly late. And two, when I do click go live, it always spins for like 5 to 10 seconds, man. So all of that stuff adds up, and then it's like a minute late every single time. What's up, Clay, bro? What's going on, Nando's Customs? GME going up very nice. Yeah, GME is going up very nicely today. What's up, AMC fam? DD214, how you doing, my man? Hello, Clay and Clay Bros. Donnell, I know you're wearing your Clay Bros shirt today, aren't you? You better be. You better be. All right, what do we have here? Where'd Shiba go? Back on the graph there, little Shiba. All right, 43.20. GameStop's on the chart. PROG sitting right here. Zoomed in much further than the rest of this stuff. Let's see what this is. All right, it looks like it's going down, but it's really not. Still up 2.57%. All right, good deal. You know what I want to do? You know what? Do I want to do it? I don't know if I want to do it right now or not. I was going to get my tablet up, but maybe not. Silence again for the people not here. Oh my gosh, I promise you. You did not hear anything. Yeah, you did. Yeah, you did. You did hear something. Fact. You did that time, guys. Sorry. And to tickle your ears. That's what you get for yelling silence at me, so. Alright, we're back. We're ready to go. Looking good. Martin! Clay, have you covered the topic of direct registration of shares in any of your content? The AMC Reddit seems to love it, but I'm hesitant. Don't want to rely on snail mail during the MOAS. So here's the deal, man. I agree with you, okay? Directly registering your shares. I've covered it in live streams. I've never covered it in videos. But directly registering your shares means that you are the registered shareholder with AMC. So what that means is right now, if you hold your shares on Webull, if you use Fidelity, whatever, they are the registered shareholders, and you are a proxy holder. So they're the ones that are registered on AMC's books as being shareholders. What happens if, like, you got votes and so on, AMC sends all the information out to Webull, and then Webull sends the information out to you as a proxy shareholder. Some people believe that Webull, Fidelity, all these brokers are going out there and selling shares that don't actually exist. So they think, the conspiracy theory says, well, wait a second here. There's 500 million shares, but I think if you add up all the shares that we own, they're going to end up being 5 billion shares, not 500 million. So what they think that they want you to do now, okay, just like all the naked share talk we've seen before, just like all of the, you can endlessly short a stock through its bonds talk that we saw in the past, just like all of the what I would consider nonsense that we've seen since January says, here's the theory, if you directly register your shares with AMC and everybody does so, one of two things is going to happen. One, AMC is going to see that you guys have 5 billion shares instead of 500 million, and something is clearly wrong there. And people will start receiving like rejection letters. You can't directly register with AMC because this share doesn't exist, therefore exposing naked shorts. On the other hand, all you have is 500 million shares that are directly registered with AMC that were directly registered with AMC before, just under a different name. So, me, personally, I have no intentions, no plans on directly registering my shares, really with any company, because, yeah, man, I don't want to sit there and unregister my shares when I go to sell them and contact the company and so on. I live in 2021. I do not live in 1984. And probably in 1984, your brokers didn't let you directly register your shares anyway. So, need more hype for AMC. Let's get it, Ape Man. You know the Ape Father. What do you want to do? Pringleton. I'm bringing Sexy Bot. Yeah. Sorry, I spelled something wrong. No, you didn't. Riptide Redemption. I remember that time. Good old days. Something. Good old days. I had a blue wrench once. True story. Nice, Riptide Redemption. I also had a blue wrench once. True story. We need more hype for AMC. Saw that. Send a shout out to my daughters, Regina and Romina. Ooh. Regina and Romina. I like it, man. Those names rhyme. Regina and Romina. Two beautiful daughters to Flores Family Fun. I like it. Hopefully you're having a good day. Part of the Shiba Army. Very nice, guys. Smash the like button. Matt Coach currently has 7,000 viewers. We got to get more likes than him. Ugandan Toad. If we get more likes than he has, or the amount of viewers he has, which one are you talking about now? I was going to say, if we get more likes than he has viewers, which is not going to happen, I would just give away all 40 of those shirts right now, and then I will buy more. God, that's going to be a lot of work. I will buy more before December to do these giveaways. So, that's true, man. That's true. Actually, let me see how many likes Matt Kors has. If we go straight up like for like, I still might even do it. If you just get all of your family members in here to click the like button. Let's see. I gotta look up Matt Kors's likes. How many does he have? Is this doable? Kors. See this. Brave. I know, Amber. I know. It's crazy. But I ain't scared. Let's see. 1.3. I don't know. I feel like with a stroke of luck, you guys could actually beat 1.3, but I don't know if that'll ever happen. So, I don't know if we should do that or not. Dang it, man. I don't know if we should do it or not. Maybe we should, maybe we shouldn't. I'll let you guys decide. You guys can't even get to 100 likes, so I can give a free wrench away. So, think about that. Ruben says, how do I become a bro? You hit that subscribe button. If you want to join the channel and get a green name and become a bro that way, all you gotta do is click the blue join button next to the subscribe button. If you don't want to click the blue join button because you can't see it, you have an iPhone, you can copy and paste the link in the description below. And the one that says join the channel and become a bro, then you get a green name, man. So, either way, as long as you click that subscribe button, you're good by me. Done. David, nice, man. Well, you can do it. Dude, Ugandan Toad, you think we can do it for real? I disable option. Young, disable option for what? Pringleton, I'll be honest. I usually keep to myself on Twitter and just kind of tweet what I think about PROG, usually, and I have notifications on for a few people. Me? You have them on for me? Probably not, though. Ruben, just click the join button, man. Easy enough. Join the channel, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Guys, AMC looks red, but it's still doing nicely right now. Still doing nice on the day. Look at this. Don't forget about that part, okay? Looks red, but it's not really red. Wow, that was close. Almost closed out. Landon, thank you very much for the super chat. Landon says, I need a wrench beside my name. Let's get a wrench giveaway going here pretty soon, guys. It gets to 100 likes. There's only 10 likes right now. You get 38 likes right now. You guys are being lame. Get it to 100 likes, which you can't even do because there's only 82 people in here. Get it to 100 likes, and we do a wrench giveaway. Click it. Sassy today. I was born sassy. I was born sassy, Amber. That's fact. I was born sassy. Clay, bro, Dallas T, how you doing, my man? And Landon, thank you very much for the super chat. Really, really, really appreciate that, man. Let's see what we got going on here. AMC falling a little bit. PROG holding. PROG's been down all day. 4.49 right now. Could be a decent day to buy in on a 10% decline. GameStop, the king of the day, man, sitting at 788% higher. And then Shiba sitting at 43.30. Really just been trading sideways all day. It looks like a little bit of a decline, but man, I'm telling you, if you zoom out and look at it the way it should be, yeah, we've really had no action today. And Shiba Inu Coin just kind of been trading sideways, holding up at these support levels. PROG sitting at 28.30 right now, pulling back at the end of the day. Everybody loves a nice pull out, right? Nope, not me. So we are going to sit there and watch it end. Hopefully higher with 18 minutes left in the day. I nominate you for a one-hour interview with Charles Payne. Forget Matt Coors and Trey. Ugandan Toad. Let's go for it, man. I could do a 1 hour interview. I could do a 1 hour interview with really anybody, man. I think it would be a good conversation. As long as my mustache wasn't tickling my nose like it is right now, I think it would be just fine. Do you expect December to be a bearish month for crypto? Sebastian, no. See, I don't. People expecting bearish months, those would be considered bears. I, unfortunately, or fortunately, however you want to look at it, do not go in with a negative outlook. All right? I do not go in saying, yeah, man, I expect this to go down all December long. If I did, I would just sell them all. I would sell everything, and then I would buy it back. But a lot of the people that have this bearish mentality, they tend to think of these crypto winters, okay? And they get this crypto winter term because back in 2017, man, crypto started to hit some all-time highs, and then the hype and the buzz faded a little bit. Therefore, the cryptocurrencies pulled back. The prices faded a little bit. And guess where they're at right now? Much, much, much higher than they were back then. So, crypto winter, it's okay, but it's not like a guaranteed thing. Part 1. Ooh, yes, I love two-parters. I really don't understand what the sharing how much they make part has to do with anything. The only way I can see people being upset about this is if they complain about how hard they work, and then they're out here making 10x, some of us, in only 6 months, and we're loads of overtime. But outside of that, I can't even try to play devil's advocate because I don't know how it could matter. Yeah, dude, listen, and I'm not going to sit here and, like, play devil's advocate with this or not, or if you do feel that way about people, I think that people do get, and this may be the correct term, maybe not, but I think that people could get a little jealous, okay? That they think, oh, well, that idiot's just sitting in a chair doing nothing, and people are sending him super chats, he's making ad revenue, and so on. Well, jealousy is a bad idea, because if you wanted to do it, guess what? You would try to do it. And then you would determine whether or not you wanted to do it. And it's really not that easy. I mean, it might be easy to try and do like one thing a day or something. But I'm telling you, man, from experience, when you're sitting here and I feel like I'm pretty busy. I do. Like, honestly, I feel pretty busy. Even though it looks like I post an 8-minute video, every now and then 2 live streams that are an hour and a half. Like, it doesn't look like that. But when you got to consider the fact that, you might spend an hour before you do a video reading news articles, kind of going in your mind what you want to say, and then the time it takes to post it. And, of course, after a while, you do get more efficient at it, and things, start to run a little smoother. But then, dude, the emails start rolling in, and you got to sit here and make 40 shirts over the weekend. Like, it does become a lot, but I think that I think that might be like the devil's advocate part that you could try to play on there. Young man, thank you very much for the super chat. Young says, I don't know my AMC been rent out on Webull for a few cents. I just disabled that option. Young, yes, we can talk about that in 2 seconds. Here's a chat because I like the channel. Boom, baby, Riptide Redemption with the super chat because he likes the channel. Listen, I really, really, really appreciate everybody who sends super chats. Clearly, it makes me happy. Right? You support the channel, you guys show that you care, but if you can't, or if you don't want to, you know, like, dude, just click the like button. There's, how many likes are in here right now? There's 130 people in here, and 38 likes is what I'm seeing. 46 likes. Like, just click the like button, man. It doesn't even, like, it's free. It doesn't take you 2 seconds to do it. It's not going to screw up your algorithm, because you're in here watching anyway, but it really helps out the channel. It's a way to do it. So, I don't know, man. But Riptide Redemption, thank you very much. And yes, Young. So, if you do not have lending disabled on your Webull account, or really any broker for that matter, they can go out there and lend out your shares. They don't have to lend them all out. They can lend a portion of them out. They don't have to lend any of them out. But they can lend them out. And then they are going to give you, so PROG is a great example. I mean, honestly, like if you're sitting on PROG, I don't even really have a problem with you lending PROG out because you're going to be making a sick interest rate. So if you do not want to lend your shares out, what you do when you lend them out, somebody borrows them and then they can, or they don't have to, but they can short them. So it can add to the short pressure. So you would end up receiving a percentage of that interest rate, that cost to borrow. You know, Webull's going to take some of it for facilitating the transaction, and then you get a percentage of it as well. So you can make an extra, I don't know, a couple bucks doing that, almost like a dividend, but you don't have to do it. If you don't want to do it, nah, it is 40. It was 38 shirts that I printed 38 shirts yesterday, and I had 2 more made, so 40 total are sitting right there. But you don't have to lend them out if you don't want to, but you do have to turn it off if you don't want to lend them out. Let's see what we got here. Part 1, right? But the idiot in the chair is making money because you're watching, so awkward. But, like, I guess I could if, like, Grandpa Barney, for example, got salty over some streamer complaining. Yeah, maybe YouTube or something. Part 2, complaining about how hard they work when he's doing the 12. Dude, Grandpa Barney's out there doing 40 hours, and he's working like crazy, and I'm not throwing shade. I just mean I could understand that mindset that others, at least personally. Yeah. I mean, that dude's out there working like crazy. Like, that dude, Grandpa Barney, guys, I don't know, man. If you've got Grandpa Barney's work ethic, you will be successful. All right? You may not be... It may not be easy street, and it may not seem like you're, you know, living the life because you're out there working hard, but you will be successful. Like, Grandpa Barney is setting himself up for the future that he wants through hard work and dedication. You know, you could try to be lazy right now and see how it turns out for you. Go for it. But Grandpa Barney is a testament to hard work, man, and I like it. What's up, fam? AMC Trevor, how you doing? Young and Riptide, what's going on? The part of the point, though, you wouldn't give out poor information just to keep people on the hook. No, dude, because, look, and I've actually thought about that, too. Like, I could sit here and tell you guys that I've got leaked information all day long. But I would rather you guys come back tomorrow and maybe get less views today, less views today, but knowing I'll get views tomorrow because you guys still want to be my friend and you still want to hang out instead of saying, that dude, I don't know about him. He likes carrots or something. Devil's Advocate, thank you very much for the member chat. Devil's Advocate says, for the record, after seeing your setup and your chair, PS3 box, dude, not a PS1 box. PS1, dude, it ain't even a PS1 since like 1992. No one suggesting you're out there making bank and giving us BS info. No! Oh, dude, just ripped me in front of all 165 of my friends. Dang it, Devil's Advocate. Oh, my gosh. I just got ripped. My mom's probably listening right now, too, Devil's Advocate. Golly bum, man. Dude's ripped me in front of my own mom. Clay Bro, JT Wisco. What's going on? I need a Clay Bro shirt for every day. It's so comfy. Done now. I hope you win one and I don't care. Like, if you guys win more than once in December, I hope you win a shirt for every day in December, too. Like, I hope you win something every single day in December, and you're sitting on like 30 shirts yourself. Poor Shiba Clay. It's crazy. We like that you don't fabricate just for views. I will tell you that I don't fabricate, but you do have to kind of be creative and constantly think of, okay, well, we talked about burns. We can talk about burns. I just posted a video on scams that are going on out there. There is a lot, so you do have to be creative. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? Oh, Mama Clay. Mama Clay might be listening right now. I'm not sure. She was working a little bit earlier, but I think she keeps the headphones in, and then she listens sometimes too. So she doesn't always type, but she does listen. And Dad might be listening too right now, so you guys might be making fun of me in front of Dad. Clay's channel is the only one I joined. As I write this, I'm wearing my Clay Bro shirt ski. Wrestler wearing that Clay Bro shirt ski and has the green name. I love it. And you know what, guys? I mean, I honestly, I think it's very, very cool that you have the green names. And I know, dude, like, it's just a green name, right? But I think that we are bros here. Like, we are, you know, family, man. We're all bros. That's what bros do. Bros support each other. My brother could come to me tomorrow with a problem. You know what I would do? I would support him. My brother could come to me with great news. You know what I would do? I would support him. That's what brothers do. All right? I could get mad at my brother for some stupid reason, but you know what I would still do? Support him. That's what family does, man. Riptide Redemption. When I asked my father what he was going to do now that he was retired, he responded, only work 40 hours a week. Gotta love a good work ethic. Now, that's what I'm talking about, Riptide Redemption. Yeah, man. Yeah, it's, you know, and that kind of only worked 40 hours a week. So it seems to me like he worked much more than 40 prior to retirement. But yeah, dude, that's the mentality that some people have. And, you know, that's the mentality you should have. Now, I'm not saying go fall victim to a work schedule, and if it's not what you're passionate about, feel like you're trapped and you can't get out of that work cycle. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying with your work ethic is, if you do feel like you're trapped, maybe in your current job, in your current situation, work your way out of it. Don't complain your way out of it, or just like lay down and die. Work your way out of it. Use guys like Riptide Redemption's dad, Grandpa Barney, you know, whoever you can think of that you know. Dude, use that to motivate you and work your way out of it. You got what it takes. I know you do. AMC Trap says, hey, Papa Clay. What's going on, Papa Clay? I would laugh. Somebody would laugh. Me too. Me? No, family. Let's go, Clay, bro. Rodney, how you doing? Simon in the house, baby. What's up, Simon? How you doing? Step Bros. Devil's Advocate. Yeah, we could be Step Bros if you want to be Step Bros, man. After AMC squeezes, we need to get together. Clay can wear his big glasses because he's a star. We talking about these, man? We talking about these right here? Dude, any chance that Shiba would hit 3.003 in the upcoming bull run? 003. Nah. No, not in the upcoming bull run, man. I'm going to say 0.0003 could be possible with an excellent bull run. But 0.003, not soon. Pretty sure 0.003 gives you a valuation of around like 1.5 trillion. I don't see it passing Bitcoin. So I would say no. But like 0.0003, yes, or long term. Clay, GME's on fire. Dude, GME is on fire for sure today. GameStop sitting on an 8.2% gain. AMC sitting on a 1.70% gain. PROG down 8%. And Shiba Inu currently down 2% right now, sitting at 42.89. Could be a decent buy opportunity if you guys are interested in grabbing some of those. Somebody call the fashion police on New York Angelo. Banana Man, what was New York Angelo doing? Oh, somebody called the fashion police on me, man. You think that I've got... no, man. No. So call the fashion police on me, please. 0.000075, maybe. I don't know how many zeros that is. 1, 2, 3... Oh, yeah. Well, I think you could go a little higher than that on the next bull run, man. I think we could retest those all-time highs at 88. How How long have I been a member? Wrestler, I actually don't know, man. I actually don't know. I think I could probably... Now I don't know if I can look that up individually to see who the first member was and like who the longest member was and stuff. I don't know if I can do that in my analytics or not. Does anybody know if you can do that in analytics? I don't know if I can. When you wear those, you look like a freshman in flight school, okay, who acts like he's a fighter pilot and ends up falling out and never actually being able to fly. No! What about these? What about these? What do these make me, and then I can decide which one I want to be? These and then the other ones, because that sounds like a pretty cool story, man. I was a freshman in flight school, and I didn't make it, so now I can't fly anymore. I like that backstory. What do those give me? Chupa! Oh my gosh. You guys are crazy. I'd rather be a bro than, yeah, Donnell. There you go, being a bro. I like it. Donnell's got a new picture, guys. Look at Donnell's new picture on there. Very nice. How much Shiba will jump coming 6 months? Matthews. It's going to jump at least 6 inches, man. At least 6 inches. Figure out where that's at. These are better. HJ Automotive likes them better. The other ones. Kim says the other ones. See what I'm saying? Kim says the other ones. HJ Automotive says these ones. I'm sorry, I'm not Top Gun, I'm Bottom Gun. Oh, man. Banana Man called Gotti Gensler for the Fashion Police. The second ones look like you're trying to hide that hide that you're high. Yeah, I'm definitely going with the first ones then, man. We're definitely going with these. For sure. Hey, guys. I failed out of flight school. So, I can't fly anymore. You know? I'm unable to fly. Good, bad. I don't know how it is. Let's see here. So, one, you look like you can't get high. The second looks like you are high. I'll go with the one where I can't get high and I can't fly. Is it really going to make people millionaires? Funny videos. It already has. It already has. And it could make you millionaires from here. How about crypto on KuCoin? What is the safest app to transfer it to? Like a wallet. Oh, so Devin, it all depends on, you know, what you think. You can use an app like crypto.com, or not crypto.com. You could use crypto.com, but I was going to say Coinbase. Coinbase is, I don't know. All right, hold on. Alright, so if you guys can't see this, my mouse is right here. Okay? It's on the arm of the chair. And I'm just going along here, talking about KuCoin transferring over to Coinbase. And then this hits my finger. What is this? What is this? It's like just fell out of the sky. Well, there's no sky. It's just the ceiling. Where could this possibly have come from? Oh my god. Dude, the stuff that happens, and I have no idea how that happens. That literally, There's nothing in here that could have caused that. There's nothing in here that could have caused that. And I know for a fact that this armrest there's nothing on it because I just moved the mouse up and down. Dude, I don't know what it was, and I don't know where it came from. It hit my thumb. Dude, and you just sit here and you just play it off. Like, let's just actually think about what happened. Out of nowhere, this object just materialized and hit me in the finger. Okay, I don't know what this is. It's got like a little glue on it there. It's just this little white thing. Out of nowhere, this materialized, hits me in the finger. And I'm just going to play it off like that's completely normal. And just say, I can't explain it, so it's good. Gosh, dude. Dude, I hope it's Chipro playing pranks or Ghost of Chipro's future coming in here and doing something. But I have no idea where that materializes out of nowhere and hits me in the thumb from. No, that's what I'm saying. Like, and I just think it's normal that hits me in the thumb and that sits on my armrest. Is it hard? No, it's like tasted like that beer. I'm not tasting it, man. It's not hard. It's actually, it's like a, I don't know. It looks like it fit into something, you know, and that's why I looked at the bottom of the mouse, but there's nowhere on the mouse that it would fit into. Not like a little gasket thing that you would stick into something and it would plug it up, but absolutely bizarre, man. No idea where that stuff comes from. Shiba Ghost, it's got to be something. Clint, you saying my way of thinking about everyone focusing together is correct, but won't happen because everyone wants to be diversified. Really makes me just like people. I feel like smacking my head. Not necessarily, Chris. Not because people like diversification, but simply because you can't get that many people together. Like if somebody had a huge platform, you know what I mean? Like more than the 300,000 the Mac Cores has, and you know trades and all those guys, like it would have to be much more massive, and then everybody would actually have to agree. I probably shouldn't, but I scroll through TikToks, okay? And a lot of the live streams on TikToks are dudes trading stocks. And every single one of them, I don't even have to ask it. A lot of the guys in there ask, do you like AMC? You know, they're trying to help the AMC movement out. Every single one of these guys on TikTok says that they do not like AMC. It is not a short squeeze play. They don't believe in that. If they are trading it, they're shorting it or day trading it and so on. So it's so hard, man. It's so hard to get these people to think the correct way. Hit your thumb because folks are meant to hit the like button. DD214, that is absolutely correct, guys. Hit the like button for real. Stealing attacher. HJ Automotive, yeah, but there's nothing up there, man. Like, there's not even a piece of drywall where it would have been stuck and finally fell or anything like that. Really weird, dude. Let's go click LFG Latino Heat. Let's go, man. SpaceX parts, maybe. Yeah, Matthews could be, but I hope they're not falling down into my house. What did we finish on? Pringleton! Good question, man. AMC finished the day at 41.24. She was sitting at 42.96. PROG down to 4.45. And GameStop, $247 per share. GameStop testing almost $250 today. Man, $249.41 sitting here. That would have been very nice close on GameStop, but yeah, guys, that's what we got right there. And PROG down a little bit after hours. AMC down 0.05% after hours. GameStop down 0.09% after hours. So still holding up after hours. Most likely going to be some slow trading. Guys, I'm going to be very honest, okay? What was the volume today on some of these stocks? Let's go see what we got volume-wise on AMC. I wouldn't expect to have very big days volume-wise this week. Let's see how it compares. What do we have today? 28 million shares. Okay. 28 million shares. Still a little bit more than we've seen in previous days. We had 38, 23, 25, 20. I wouldn't expect, especially with this wedge consolidating here, I would not expect massive gains unless somehow we get some news or there's some sort of a catalyst that breaks us out of this wedge. Then, you know, people are going to flock to it. But it's Thanksgiving week. I would honestly expect to see more of this action here. Maybe a retest tomorrow morning, 42.70 or so on, and then, you know, some sideways, just consolidation Wednesday and Friday. Boring weeks on holiday weeks like this, but you know, the traders that bring most of the volume are on vacation and just hanging out. What's the real plan for the burning? We need to come up with better plans to burn Shiba Inu coin, man. I need money. Can someone help me, please? iOS Gamer. Yeah, that's what this whole channel is about, man. Financial entertainment. So have some fun and learn how to make some money. Lots of traders off all week. Red Line Sean. Yeah, man. They just take the whole week off. and you're not going to see a ton of action unless something crazy happens and they open their phones and computers and so on. I like Mana and Sandbox. Sandbox doing very well recently. Speaking of volume kind of goes hand in hand with volatility, right? God, somebody's paying attention. Yes. So does that mean on weird halfway holidays like this Friday are good for buying options? Interesting. Interesting. So we're going to have less volume on Friday. I don't know. So if you're buying like Friday expirations, like if you're going to buy AMC stock weeklies that expire on Friday, I know you're probably talking about PROG, but I would say no. You're going to see a drastic decrease in volume on Friday. You know, I don't know if it's going to have that much of an impact on your PROG options, this Friday's trading specifically. But it's going to increase the risk for options like AMC. They're going to expire on Friday. And then you're going to, you're going to have less time. So it makes that data decay even greater, and you're going to be losing more money because of it. But I don't know how that would really, if at all, affect your PROG options. Clint, what's up, bro? Can you check out STNE? Lots of institutional buys. Woods bot above it is holding. Bounce off bottom target is 73 area. Yeah, Gorilla Invictus, check it out. STNE. And Shiba to $1 maybe in 20 years. Yeah, if they burn a ton of coins, I'm on with Shiba going to $1, but it isn't going to need a ridiculous time frame like that to get there, man, because even if they burn 90% of the supply, you're still talking about like a $20 trillion valuation or a $40 trillion valuation at $1 per coin, which is very, very high, guys. Very, very high. I mean, Apple's been around forever, and they're only worth a couple trillion. So, STNE, what do we got? Stone Cold Steve Austin. That's probably not what this is, right? All right, Stone Cold, wow, really dipping right now. What do we got here? Oh my gosh. Dude, Buffett and Woods own this? Why? Okay, I do like that. I do like that. All right, here's the deal, man, with this. I don't know what this company is, okay? But the good news is you are at the dead level of support. All right? So you should expect StoneCo, whatever this is, to reverse from here. If it falls through this 1620 level, if it dips even further, you're in uncharted territory. It could honestly, it could continue to fall drastically. But you are at a and this is a weekly graph. Each one of these lines is a week, guys. So this goes all the way back to May of 2019. Actually, no, December 2018. May's back here. So this goes all the way back October to December 2018. Very long-term graph, but you are at the lowest that it's ever been. The good news is it hit back here and it hit back here. Both times bouncing off this level. Will it bounce off again? And then potentially go on another run where you're going to run into some resistance at 25, then again at 35, and then again at 45. Really all the fives, all the way up back to 95. So, yes, now could be a time to add StoneCo, whatever this company is, strictly based on a technical look, strictly based on its price action. Dang, Bitcoin, that's why Shiba Inu Coin's pulling back today. Bitcoin's sitting at 55.8, down 4 or 5%. That's why you got that action in Shiba. Has anyone ever seen Stone Cold ET on YouTube? Banana Man, I have not. How long have you been into crypto? How are you so good with numbers? Chris, I don't know how good I am with numbers or not, but I mean, the first action I ever had in buying crypto was in 2017. So, I mean, it hasn't been like a terribly long time, but 2017 would be the first time I got into crypto. Let's see here. Part number 1. No. We are not buying options on Fridays that expire Fridays. My weeklies, I got are $5, and I'm selling them tomorrow or Wednesday at the latest. What I'm asking is, like, say I want to buy the December monthlies with low volume, or would the low volume help make the price cheaper or lower the value or whatever goes with volatility? It could. But I think that I think that when they look at that and they determine the volatility of the stock, it's not on a daily basis, and therefore simply the fact that there's less volume being traded like right now, talking about on Friday, I don't think that that's going to have as big of an impact on it is how that stock has been trading recently. So, like, I don't know if all of that stuff is weighted and then it just takes a low weight into what's happening recently or how it's weighted. But I don't think that one low volume day is going to drastically reduce the price. Read my last one, please. Chris, yes, man. Then I guess I either have too much faith in people. Yeah, you probably do. Or I'm just an idiot. No, it's the first one. Because to me, the reason why stuff doesn't change is because people believe it won't or has to be the one that gets the credit. Possibly, man. I think you do put too much faith in people, though. Okay? Now, that's not to say that that's a bad thing, but because I'm optimistic as well, right? I'm optimistic in the fact that we will do what we say we're going to do, but that's because there's 300 of us in here. I know that the tighter the community, the smaller the group of people, not the more malleable they are, but the more likely they are to be able to come together. If you're looking at all 4 million people that own AMC and things like that, it does become very difficult, man. Especially when those people are not committed to the cause, when those people are not daily interacting with the ape community, when they're not watching videos, when they're not on social media, when they really don't know what's going on. It's almost impossible to get them to agree. Clay Mom, if you're listening, remember, years ago by Lake Erie in the truck. Mom, if you remember that, Mr. Normus wants to talk to you right now. If you don't remember that, then Mr. Normus, behave, man. Hashtag tight, dog, tight. Yes, Faisal, time to buy. We got Faisal. You people too noisy about Shiba, and it's not going anywhere. You people too noises. Well, dude, depends what kind of noise you're making, whether it's a good one or not. But, no, I do think that Shiba Inu coin has some good potential, man. I would like to challenge anybody right now, if they want to give me a legitimate reason why Shiba Inu coin is bad, or a legitimate reason why AMC is bad. And, I think that I could, if it's legitimate, all right, we'll go with it. We'll put it to the cons list. But I think the pros greatly outweigh the cons. Because, both of them are risky. Both of them don't have fundamentals. Both of them don't have, guaranteed results. But both of them do have very, very high reward ratios. So, bring it on, Faisal. Let's go, man. Has anyone famous reached out to you for crypto or stock advice? Don't know. I don't know anybody famous, and nobody famous cares about me. I love GME today. Yes, today, Spider Cloud. Today is a very good day for GME. What if she doesn't remember? Pringleton, burn, man, burn. For both, they're making strides. Pringleton, hey, hats off to you, Pringleton. That was a good one. Pancakes is in the chat. What's going on, Pancakes? Burning is the key. Ray, yes, burning will be key to the long-term price appreciation of Shiba Inu coin. Challenge accepted. Bad because it gives the community of new investors a false sense of what the market is like, setting up expectations of squeezes all around, and it's good to go all in and hold. Yeah, that would be bad in general, but that wouldn't be a reason why it could potentially fall. I was specifically speaking to the bad as why it would make a bad investment and you could lose your money on it, not why it's bad and the new breed of investors thinks everything is a squeeze now and things are only ever going to go up in 100x fashion. That could be bad. Just eating lunch and listening. Nice, Pancakes. So glad to have you in here. Shiba has good potential, but it's long term, so either don't sweat the dailies or get into AMC now, make some money, and rejoin Shiba later. Yeah, Pringleton. So I think that, I do think that Shiba has some, I think that Shiba could bust an all-time high in the short term, right? I do think that it could double potentially triple, maybe quadruple in the short term. Okay, if we get some good speculation and some good runs going. But you are right, man. If you're looking to make 100x, or if you're looking for a penny and so on Shiba Inu coin, I think that we've got a long way to go. But with time on your side, more coins being burnt, more people joining the Shiba army. Hey, man, decent long-term investment, right? If you're going to go out there and buy something like Squid Moon, which I have people emailing me about Squid Moon, so I may do a video on Squid Moon soon. We may add that to the 2022 portfolio. Nobody knows about Squid Moon. Things like that. Squid Game Coin was another one. The Suzuki. All right, you can make some money, but you always run that risk of it turning out to be a rug pull or a scam and so on. Shiba Inu Coin does not seem to be that way. It seems to be accepted by major exchanges all over the world, and it seems like it's going to be around for a long time now. Rewind, challenge accepted. It's bad because it's fundamentally overvalued. Yes! That's the main one that I was looking for, the devil's advocate. And we know that. I hope that people buying AMC and Shiba Inu coin know that. Fundamentally overvalued, definitely. 100% agree with you. I don't think that the price of I don't think the price of AMC right now is anywhere near its fundamentals, and I don't think the squeeze relies on fundamentals. So I am not investing in AMC because of the fundamentals. If I don't think anybody in here is investing in AMC because of the fundamentals. I think people are buying AMC stock because of a potential short squeeze. Cut your losses in AMC? No! I honestly can't stress that people who were patient will be thankful. Oh, Feek, definitely, man. Definitely. I mean, and I know some people don't like when I make comparisons between AMC and Shiba, but it's true, right? If you would have bought an AMC at $2 a share, and when it went to $5 a share, you cashed out because you thought, boom, baby, double my money. I am doing great right now. Okay, awesome. But even though you suffered from the $70 high back down to the $40 we're sitting at right now, you'd be sitting on another 8x gain from where you were when it was at $5. So holding definitely has its benefits. I know it might not be as exciting as trying to day trade every day, but are you here to make money, or are you here to get that rush or that thrill? I mean, if you want to get a rush or a thrill, honestly, you could go just put it on red or black and spin that little ball around and see where it lands. XX, XXX, XXX, Shiba. Nice, pancakes. Can't compare Shiba to AMC. Come on, Clay. Explain the huge difference. I could compare some things, dude. Shiba Inu coin, all of the top 1,000 holders, man, they either put a lot of money into it or they've been holding. Simple as that, dude. They've been. If you want to make something out of nothing, you have to be willing to hold it. If Elon Musk sold all of his shares in Tesla when he first went public, you think that Elon Musk would be the richest man in the world? The answer is no. You don't even have to answer that if it was rhetorical. He would not be. Never made money, but the rush was real. Devil's advocate. That's what I'm talking about, man. You could also, if you want to rush too, you could buy options on Fridays that they expire. That might be a pretty good rush too. Actually, you could probably just save the gas money, go to the casino, and you can just buy options like that Friday that expire later that afternoon. That'd be a rush. I will reach 100,000 portfolio by next year, darn it. Now, wrestler, that's what I'm talking about, man. I hope everybody in here ends up with a $100,000 plus portfolio, man. And then you're sitting there and you're like, yeah, I don't know. Okay, I just bought $20,000 worth of Apple. Pretty good investment, right? Nice, man, nice. I just dropped another $50,000 on AT&T today. Gonna be guaranteeing yourself a nice $5,000 a year dividend there. Congratulations. I like it. Clay, pancakes. What's going on, pancakes? You know, Clay, I've never got options on the day they expire, okay? Psh, disrespect. Yeah, but if you want that rush, man, you can go there and get that. I'm not mad, just disappointed. Must be a Granny Smith if it was worth that much. Apple. That's what it is. PDP coming in, man, with the PDP. I love it. You guys know what time it is, right? PDP, dude. This is for you. Are you ready? Ooh, that works. A PDP, a PDP, a PDP, Pete. A PDP, Pete. A PDP, a PDP, a PDP, Pete. A PDP, Pete. A PDP, a PDP, a PDP, Pete. A PDP, Pete. Last one. A PDP, a PDP, a PDP, Pete. A PDP, Pete. PDP, man, thank you for the PDP. I know that everybody in here loves that. If you did not do that with me, why? Why? Think about it. If you're having a bad day today and you bust out the PDP, there's no way you can have a bad day after doing the PDP. Thank you very much, PD. Absolutely one of my favorite super stickers out there. Love it, man. LFGO AMC. Let's get it, PDP. Oh boy, PDP time. Adria loves the PDP. Yes, man, you guys know what time it is. I like it. I just joined Aussie's Clay Dancing. Gaming with Doge. Now, that's what I'm talking about. Best time to come in is when PDP comes in and throws that PDP out there. Yes, left field goal AMC. Yep, that's exactly what it stands for. That's exactly what it stands for, wrestler. Left field goal AMC. Best stream out there. Joshua, really appreciate that, man. Thank you very much. By the way, I am at the Boys and Girls Club right now. You Gaming with Doge. Very nice, man. Did you have a math test today? Shiba going to $1 soon for Khan Select. It'd be very nice if it did. I think your definition of soon is a lot sooner than my definition of soon, but I believe that we both want Shiba Inu to rise in price. Let's just put it that way. Smoking a wacky vape on the PDP thing. Whatever that means, man. Whatever that means. I don't know. Smoking is bad in general. Don't do it. Not healthy. But smoking some wacky vape, that's whatever you kids call a good time, I guess. I think I accidentally launched the lobby. Stream scheduled for 50 minutes from now. Nice, Frank. Hey, man, nothing wrong with that, guys. Nothing wrong. If you want to be first in Frank's, go be first in Frank's live stream right there. Because Frank's is first here. Can't do the PDP like the way Clay does it. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Pancakes, did you get your shirt yet? Did you get your shirt? And you definitely, all of you guys can do the PDP out there. I know you can. You can have some fun doing it too. Why up? Been a while. Nelson, why is AMC up? It's been a while. Why is GameStop up? What are you talking about? Or are you awake? What's your channel? Yeah, Frank, what's your channel, man? Let us know. Made 40,000 on AMC today. Pennies. Unrealized gains. Holding, of course. Nice, Marky Mark. 40,000 pennies. Dude, making 40,000 pennies, man. 40,000 pennies, pretty good, dude. I like it. Chris, when become a bro? Yes, Chris, become a bro, man. What are you doing? Not yet. Pancakes, how did you not get it yet? How did you not get the shirt yet? California is crazy. Just deliver it to Pancakes, please. Yeah, you should have it, because today's been a week. Today's been a whole week, man. You should have it today, for sure. How, bro? Chris! If you want a green name, if you want to become a bro, man, just click the subscribe button. But if you want to become a green name bro, join the channel, you need to click that big old blue join button if you're on Android. If you're on computer or iPhone, you can copy and paste the link in the description below that says join the channel, become a bro. Haven't seen it? You need to see it. When did you ship? Oh, Monday. Shipped it last Monday. Just so. Yes, subscribe to the channel. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Don't see the stream listed there, Frank. Well, he must not have started the lobby yet. LGVN has huge upside. Good deal. Regular potato like Shiba. Maybe now y'all stole it. now y'all could have stolen it. Yes. Hi, Clay. Do you think Shiba will drop to the threes? Angie woohoo. So I do think that Shiba Inu has a lot of support around the 4,200 level. If we do drop below that, clearly the threes are possible, but we have support around 39. Okay? Now below 39, you're looking at 35 and potentially 2,700 below that. So we are heavy on the support lines, and the ones that we're currently seeing are holding up. But I will say, if Bitcoin and Ethereum and some of these other major coins out there start to decline even further, then yes, it is very likely that we see Shiba Inu coin decline along with them. Let's see, what do we got here? Farming sitting down a percent after hours. AMC up 0.15%. GameStop break even. MMAT sitting at 1.8% higher after hours. CEI down 2% after hours. Fun just going back down to the lower threes. My goodness. Tesla up after hours. Dogecoin down 3% on the day. PROG blank after hours. Just sitting right there, break even. Mark, man. Thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate that. Mark, do a good job, Clay. Marky, you do a good job, man. You do a good job, Mark. For real. You're in here. Doing work. Got you, man. Thank you very much, Mark. Sean Argujo. Thank you very much for the super chat. Is it just me, or is she running like Doge did? So Sean, very similar price action between the Doge run, and I don't know if this is the points that you're comparing, but the Doge run back in May, when a lot of people were hyped up on Doge and really wanting to buy it, thinking it's going to go to $1, talking about $1, talking about $5, talking about $10, and it goes to 72 cents or like 75 cents or whatever it was at, and then it pulls back. Very, very, very similar price action between what we saw with Shiba and what we saw then with Doge. A lot of hype, a lot of speculation, a lot of FOMO buying, followed by a lot of people calming down, a lot of people taking profits, and a lot of that speculation starting to die. So very similar action, but the good news is, okay, we don't want Shiba Inu coin to purely be driven by speculation. If it is, it cannot sustain those prices. That's why it pulls back. So the speculation drove it higher, yes, but the sustainability comes from people willing to hold, comes from development in projects and utilization and so on. I collected a lot of shirts and sweaters. Yes, Pancakes, I saw all of them on your Instagram except for mine. We need to see bro shirt on you. You gotta be strong to hold fun. Trust me. Yes, wrestler. We trust you because you are holding and you are holding strong. Beautiful weather out here. Not here, man. It's cold, dude. It's cold and gray. Been a brother for a few months, Marky. Very nice, Nelson. I'll tag you on Twitter with a photo as soon as I get my shirt. Nice, Pancakes. Chris, Shiba will pump when more people become bros. Facts, dude. Facts. So become a bro, guys. Do it. Just subbed, so let's pump. Nice, Chris. Let's do it. Shiba Popkeet Lego. Popkeet? I don't even know what that is, man. Tariq Claybro, what is your opinion on GALA? I don't know too much about it, man. I know some people have come in here mentioning it before, but I haven't really done any research on it, so if I was going to tell you an opinion, it would just be me telling you like a random story or something. So, unfortunately, I can't develop one on that yet because I don't know enough about it. What's up, Trapper? SD Kalani, what's up, Trapper? How you doing? Regular Potato, do it. What's up, bro, man? What's up, Jose? How you doing? Just my Twitter cover photo. I'll add your shirt as soon as I get it. Yes, Pancakes. Now that's what I'm talking about. Adding the bro shirt up there. Very nice. I like the collection of shirts she's got. AMC Trapper, can you see it now? Maybe. Can you see the live stream now? Shiba, pamp it up. Let's get it. What about a Blacktopia? Also, never heard of Blacktopia. Let me check. Ooh, man. Look at AMC Trapper over there with the let me check. Dude, speaking in emojis now. I like this. Sorry, Clay, bro, but your constant Shiba talk has put me off. It's put me off. Every video seems like clickbait. Any coincidence your live viewing figures are down so much? No. I think the live viewers are down so much strictly because the amount of people that were searching for Shiba Inu over the last month has drastically decreased. So I think a lot of the people that just came in to see what was happening during those live streams were people who were trying to see why it was running, what was going on, and so on. The fact that you think that they turn you off, I mean, clearly you don't have to watch all of them, but I do think it's important to keep people updated on what is really moving and what is really trending at the time. If you look at search volume, the differences between Shiba Inu coin and let's just use Dogecoin, for example, it's massively overweighted to Shiba Inu Coin. Same deal for AMC, massively overweighted to Shiba Inu Coin. Shiba Inu Coin was an absolute powerhouse over the last month. So, I mean, the content is kind of tailored to the massive extension in search volume that it was getting. Yes, I just said a reminder. Very nice, AMC Travis. Real question, Frank. Who's getting a wrench over there? Real question. I probably won't even get one. I probably won't even get one because Frank's not perma-wrenched here, darn it. Oh, man. I think I'm live now. Frank might be live now. Dang, dude. Nice. No chat, though. Ooh, got to turn on chat. Sam, you distracted me, and I almost missed the live. Hold on. Lady Katie, how did Sam distract you? Where are you guys hanging out that is not in the live? Now, that's what I need to know. How is Sam distracting you outside of this live stream? Come on. Pimp that Shiba ecosystem. Let's do it. Do you know anything about Dojo on Mars? Other than the fact that a lot of people ask about it and a lot of people want to buy it? No. Buy and hold. Let's get it, Chris. Let's do it. Frank is go. Repeat. Frank is a go. Nice. Yeah, Lady Katie. Come on now. Shouldn't be distracting you from the live. He should be distracting you in the live. Oh, my goodness. I'll tell you guys. LGVN pump went from 8 to 40. What? No, I actually don't know why, but let's see. LGVN. Wrong button. LGVN going from 8 to 40. Let's see what kind of... Not Kevin. I saw this was running. I don't know why it was running, though. We got any news? Okay. So they got some FDA approval or something. Man, I don't know, guys. These biotech companies that are out there, these pharmaceuticals, great, 180% gain today, but as soon as the next stage of their trials go wrong, or as soon as they don't get FDA approval after things are looking good, they can come down 90% in a single day. So if you like that kind of risk, dude, go play some pharmaceuticals. But they can go down just as fast, if not faster, than they go up. Let's see. Caught! You were caught for sure. Yes, Sam. Why didn't you give me a heads up? Sam, you got to give these people a heads up, man. Frank, I subbed and liked. Wrench me. Nice, wrestler. Hi, all. Hi, Clebro. Lady Katie. Glad to have you in here. I just bought 156 million Shiba. We go 100. Valkovlas. Let's go, man. Look. Vaklovas just bought 100 million Shiba, and look at that nice little 1 minute candle after they bought. Very nice job. Homing it up 40 points, or 40 different points. I like it. That was the first approval. They had another one coming out. Very nice, Marcus. What if that one doesn't get approved, right? How much further is it going to fall if the second one doesn't get approved? Let's see. Question reference number 2222. Hello, Ryan. Thanks for reaching out to us. I have passed this along to our higher ups for consideration. Please give your little one all our love. Ryan, I have no idea what you're talking about, man, but hopefully it all works out. If we're playing with some pharmaceuticals, you're going to need a second pair of glasses. Yes, that's true. That's true. I'm going to need another pair of glasses if you guys are playing with pharmaceuticals over there. Hey, Clearbro, will Shiba Inu arise after all the good news? Price prediction this year. Michael, I would love to retest the all-time high this year. As far as good news, I think that you're going to need good news that drives speculation. So I think maybe Robinhood announcing that they're going to list it soon. People getting excited about a Robinhood listing, thinking that 14 million buyers on Robinhood are going to go out there and spend $1 million each and just buy a ridiculous amount of Shiba and drive the price, insanely higher. And then people get excited, and the excitement fuels more excitement. That excitement fuels buying, and so on. I think it's going to need to be a very speculative release if it is newsworthy. You're the man. Gracias, Jose. You're the man. Gracias to you as well. Shiba, the Bitcoin successor. Let's get it. What you looking at? What? What you looking at, fellas? Is it broke? Well, maybe you can fix it with your wrench. Yes, you can, Banana Man. I'm sure they can. What if this is one of those times GME makes a big run and AMC stays stagnant, kind of like in May where AMC and GME did nothing? I don't know. We just stay stagnant. If AMC and GME start to run together, that would be nice. Hey, do you think Shiba Inu will rise after all the videos I've seen and good news? Price predictions this year. Yes, I do think that Shiba Inu will rise. I would love to test new highs this year, but as far as like good news and so on, I don't think there's really any news articles that are out there right now. Hey, I'm out for the day. Pumping Frank's channel. Very nice wrestler. I like it, man. Frank, so go so we can go live after party there. Very good, guys. Maybe Elon needs to buy a new puppy. Yes, and if he named his puppy like Shibu or something, that would be even better. Jose, no retracted messages, man. What are you doing that for? Isaac. Thoughts on Crow, Crypto.com coin. Yes, I do have some thoughts on Crow. Okay, I think it may be a little pumped up right now, but some of these stabler coins, okay, like these exchange coins, excellent for staking. They pay a higher interest rate because they're the exchange's coin as opposed to one of the coins just listed on the exchange. So I do believe all the exchange coins have great long-term potential as long as that exchange stays around. Quick, just hopped back in, had to finish the job. Where am I going wrong? Have too much faith in people working together, or am I just an idiot? Chris, dude, I already answered that question, man. You are not an idiot, for sure. I do think that you have way too much faith in people, like of that size, being able to come together. I think the 289 of us in here could do absolutely anything. But when you start talking about millions of people all coming together and believing in the short squeeze, it's very difficult, man. I mean, and you can see it. Like I said, I spend like too much time just scrolling through some TikToks and stuff, and the majority of the live streams that they recommend are stocks, stock talk, crypto talk, so on, like guys with graphs on their screens. And every single one that I've messaged on there, like what they think about AMC, they don't like it. They don't like it, man. They don't think it's a short squeeze. They have no idea what's going on with it. So, it's tough. It's tough to let everybody know. Hey, love my new hoodie, t-shirt, and other awesome Clipro goodies. Thank you, Nini Waka. Now, that's what I'm talking about. Nini Waka, thank you very much for letting me know. Man, that makes me happy when you guys are happy. After party. This is the first after party. Frank is the second. Nice, man. Nice. I'm the after party. Frank's the after party. Dang, man, you guys like to party. TBF. Frank has some good PvP action going on. Nice, Pringleton. Let's see. I'm telling you, Clay, I have like 20 followers on Twitter, and I can help get this rolling. Let's do it, dude. Let's do it. Clardino, numero unino. Mr. Simon, numero uno. Thoughts on Bone? So I don't know too much about Leash and Bone, like staking your Shiba Inu and getting rewarded in Leash and Bone. As far as like the long-term potential for those, I think they're going to be correlated with Shiba Inu coin. So therefore, I think that they could, go up in price alongside Shiba Inu coin going up in price and having a nice future. But I don't think that they are going to go up like in lockstep. If Shiba Inu coin goes up 10%, these coins go up 10%, and so on. There's a certain group of people who will not stake their assets. They would just rather hold them for whatever reason. And I think because of that, you're going to see less action in Bone and Leash. Hey Clay, just joined. Well, thank you for joining. Did you talk about Shaitoshi's latest tweet? Mentioned good news this week to pump for the good week to the Shiba Army. Chris, I'm not sure if I saw his latest tweet or not. Which one was his latest? Because I think the latest one I actually saw was about battling the FUD. I get this is about AMC, but to me, the thought goes for everything, though. Like, stuff would get done if everyone agreed together. Like, the majority of the world agreed Nazis are bad, yeah, dude. And then there was, like, the other half that agreed that there was no problem with them. And I don't think that... I don't know, man. Yeah, you are 100% correct, though. That is 100% correct thinking, man. If everybody got along, and if everybody got together, and worked for the improvement of everybody else, it would be great. But unfortunately, that's not the case. And I don't know why. Like, I don't know if it's human nature. I don't know if it's just a fallen world. Like, whatever you guys want to blame it on, it's unfortunately not the case that everybody will get along and work together. Been here all day. Thanks for noticing. P.S. I love my shirt. Kelby! That's what I'm talking about. Kelby got his shirt as well. Kelby, very nice, man. I love the fact that you guys are all getting your stuff, except for Pancakes and Marine Corps Brad. Where's your shirts at? You honestly, seriously ever think that Shiba will ever go above 1 cent? So, Alex, I do think it's possible. A 1 cent with the current supply would give it a valuation of around $5 trillion. Now, yes, that is very high. But if you would have told people that Bitcoin would reach $1 trillion 10 years ago, they would have laughed at you like you were an idiot. So, I mean, who's laughing now? Clearly Bitcoin is laughing now. So as more and more people decide to trust cryptocurrency, and as more and more people decide to put some of their assets into crypto coins, I believe the overall crypto market will grow. When that happens, I believe Shiba Inu Coin and all the other cryptos will grow along with it. Now that, coupled with lessening the supply, maybe we get 50% of the supply 10 years from now. So that cuts a 1 cent valuation down to about 2 trillion instead of 5 trillion. And, if Bitcoin's trading at a $5 trillion valuation, why can't Shiba Inu Coin trade at a $2 trillion valuation 10 years from now? What's the purpose of free $1 to $3 cryptos? Could they actually turn into anything? No. So are you talking about like good dollar, or what are you talking about with these free cryptos? Shout out to Frank from Mongolia. Yes, Frank, what's going on, man? That was Clay B, what's going on? That was good. Bro, you need to record the answer to will Shiba go to X on a button, and you just press it when asked for the 10,000th time. I hate apples. It would be nice to be able to do that, but I also understand that the average watch time on this stream right now is 3 minutes and 58 seconds. So, 4 minutes and 2 seconds, just updated. It's 4 minutes and 2 seconds. So, some of you that hang out with me the whole time, thank you very much for that. But knowing that you do hang out in here, like for the majority of the stream, pumping up that average watch time, that leads me to believe that people hang out here for a lot less than 4 minutes. So you get somebody coming in for 10 seconds, and then they're like, man, I can't stand this guy's voice, and then they leave, and so on. So I would expect the same questions to roll through every 4 or 5 minutes. Clear, isn't it so that if the owner of Shiba Inu decides to burn the rest of the coins, the price will insanely rise? So, Michael, the guy that owns Shiba Inu, the developers of Shiba Inu, can't just burn your coins in your wallet. Think about that. If you're sitting on 10 million Shiba Inu coin right now, and all of a sudden you woke up tomorrow with 1 million Shiba Inu coin in your wallet because some developer decided to go out and burn 90% of the coins, and you only had 1 million in there, and what would happen? People would panic sell, and therefore the price would come down. They wouldn't say, oh my gosh, this is a good thing. They would say, oh my gosh, our Shiba Inu coins are disappearing, and they would get out. They wouldn't say, oh, this is great, now we can see higher prices. People will be willing to pay more for it. If we just hold, it'll be fine. That would cause mass panic. So they don't just go out, and they can't just go out and delete Shiba Inu coins that don't belong to them. That's why they got to send them to these burn wallets. New listener, love your energy. David, thank you very much for being a new listener and hanging out. Click, tell Frank to wrench me. I literally have 3 others in competition. Dang, man, who are the 3 in competition for wrenches right now? 4 minutes, come on. AMC Trapper, 4 minutes and 2 seconds. See what I'm telling you? That's what it is. 4 minutes and 2 seconds. 4,000 playbacks right now. Chat rate is at a 6. It is lower, much lower than normal. Concurrent viewers, we got 308 people in here is what YouTube is showing me. And a 4 minute and 2 second watch time. Crazy, isn't it? Not trying to bring drama, really just trying to understand. I don't get why I'm 26 and thinking about stuff I'm asking and everyone agrees, but we just can't change anything. Yeah, dude. Well, that's what makes it tough, man, because you are 100% correct. And I agree with you. That's why I think that, us together, we could do something. But knowing that there's so many people out there who do not care about you kind of makes me, I don't know if cynical is the right word or not, but I just know, man, I know that you can't please everybody, and if you try, you will literally die trying. It's just, that's the way it is. You cannot please everybody. I don't know if there's anybody ever that said, like, honestly, I could say something right now. But I hope that all of you guys are successful. And there would be somebody who disagrees with that. There would be somebody who disagrees with the fact that I hope that every single one of you is successful. Well, if you're wishing success on everybody, then, somebody would come up with something stupid about that. But it's crazy. I would happily die trying to please people. Winks. Nice, Devil's Advocate. Please everybody, man. Clay, what do you think about the show The Office? Will! One of my favorite shows, man. Love The Office. I enough cared. Simple as that. I enough cared as well, man. Clay, did you buy a Lambo from your earnings at crypto? No. I bought a Kia Forte, man. I drive a Kia Forte, and I don't know if I would ever buy a Lambo. I did see, forget where I was coming home from now. I might have been coming home from my mom's house or somewhere. Somebody was driving a yellow Lamborghini down the road by my house the other day, and I'm like, who is this person? This driving a yellow Lamborghini around here. Ridiculous. It was a newer one, too. It was nice. You don't see those. I hold about 12 million Shiba, but it is a crap coin. Para, droids. Well, listen. Yes, it is a riskier coin than something like Bitcoin or Ethereum or Cardano and so on. But you could absolutely make money on Shiba Inu coin. For what? AMC Trapper, you're up first, big guy. For what? Yeah. Being pleased. Oh, boy. Clay, bro, what state you in? Ohio, Rodney. I'm in Ohio. I got you, Clay. And I get no one has ever changed the world, but it just makes me feel like, why even try to fix something no one cares about, even if you know it needs to be done? Quarter life crisis. Nah, yeah, Chris. Definitely, man. Definitely. You got to do it for you, though. You got to do it for you. Like, you know you, man. Some people, and I don't know if you guys have ever taken, like, a strengths test or whatever, but some people, man, some people are includers. They're very good at making sure everybody's needs are met, everybody is included, everybody feels like they're a part of it. Other people are, they have a woo strength where they have to. There's just this internal desire inside of them to make sure they try and win over another person. And, some people could care less what other people think of them. That falls so far down on their strengths that it doesn't even register for them. Some people are extremely disciplined. You cannot get them to break their discipline. If they say they're going to do something, they're going to do it, man. And just the fact that everybody is built different, it leads to, it's great. It's great that everybody's built different, because if everybody did work together and everybody's sharing those different strengths, you can literally accomplish anything. But it takes, I don't know what it takes, man. If I did, I think that we would be much further along. But it takes something to motivate everybody to work together and just bring their strengths together and accomplish something. That's why I say the 300 of us, man, the 300 of us in here right now, I'm sure that out of those 25 strengths or whatever's on that strength test, every single one of us would have a different top strength, a different top 5, and a different order of strengths. And if we all played to our strengths, and helped each other out. Maximizer, one of my strengths, right? What Maximizer says is that I'm going to focus on the strengths of everybody, and instead of like exposing the weaknesses, just exploit the strengths. And if we could all get together and use our strengths to not tear down somebody else's weakness or say that somebody else isn't as good as we are, but to build up other people's strengths and complement the weaknesses in ways that we can all efficiently move forward. Dude, I guarantee you, the 329 of us in here right now that have never met each other, never crossed paths, maybe we have crossed paths, but just didn't know it, and so on, we would be able to accomplish anything. I have no doubt in my mind that we would be able to do that. If we honestly took the time to work together, I think the 320 of us in here could absolutely accomplish anything there is. When you start to add everybody into the mix, it becomes a lot different, man. It almost becomes uncontrollable. Chris is out here saying exactly how I feel about this old man trying to decide how to handle climate change. This is not an invitation to discuss politics. Yeah, I'm not discussing politics, man. Appreciate you, bros. Jackson, man, appreciate you too. Takes eggplants to make a difference in here. We'll do it. Eggplant will definitely do it. We build the community, bro. Let's get it, RB. In 3 years, Ford shares will be worth more than Rivian. I'm glad I'm holding Ford then, dude. That's going to be very nice. A much courageous and blessings to you. I'm still holding on. Very nice. You as well. Outdoor Smile. You'll have my sword, Frank. Take your sword, dude. Outdoor Smile just subbed, holding 100 million Shiba for the long term. And no diversity, no day trading, just holding. Hold and acquire, y'all. I love it. Outdoor Smile. That is how you acquire wealth. You will not build up your portfolio if you are not willing to hold for the long-term gains. Outdoor Smile, I love it, man, and thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate that. I help heal people during losses and confide in their winnings. John, hey, man, whatever you got to do, man, as long as you're playing to your strengths and being able to help other people out, I love it. Awesome. I'm in Logan County. Nice, Rodney. I'm not telling you which county I'm in. PROG, ouch, yeah, PROG had a down day today. Hold, RB, I am. Clay, in your next shirt giveaway, is there any chance you can give out infant sizes? Asking for my midget neighbor. Johnstown, in the next one, no. The best I got in the next giveaway so far is adult small. That's the best size I got right now. I don't know. I feel like we could just do adult smalls, and then, because I thought about it, man, like doing like a parrot kind of deal, but then I package them together and so on, and then if I just do an individual like toddler size shirt or whatever, you know, half the people in here are gonna have toddlers and kids and so on. So adult small, lowest I got right now. PROG right now. Ouch. PROG falling after hours. What do we got? PROG is PROG is not having a good after hours right now. PROG is down 16% after hours. Yowza! Let's see what's going on with that, man. PROG's got some news, or what do we got out there for PROG, man? I didn't even have my eye on that. We got any news out here or what? No news. No notes, man. No notes. PROG setting up for another excellent buy opportunity. My goodness. Dang, dude, I might pick this bad boy up tomorrow. Wow. Yeah, I might be adding some PROG tomorrow. That's a nice dip, dude. You can get in 350, get back out at $5 again. When it goes back up, that could be a nice dip on PROG. Coming back down, 360 right now. You're gonna have support right here at 350, and then where's that daily line? Did they just pass below that daily line? Yeah, that was around 427, so past below that. It's gonna come down to here. Oh, that's 390. It's coming all the way down to here. Wow. Yeah, it's coming all the way down to here. Interesting. What is this hitting? Yeah, that's the one it's following now. It's gonna fall down to, it's falling down to here right now. Shoot, man. At least it's gonna have double support at 350. We'll see if it breaks down below that because it is at 357 right now. Interesting. What's going on with PROG? Very big decline. Anybody got news? Looks at PROG. Clay, your fill is crap. I'm still above my fill, man. I am still in the positive right now. I'm 350 and it's at 358. I'm still doing okay. Sing, Sign, sorry about your name. I don't know. Sing is number 1. Sign is number 2. Somebody tell me how to pronounce that name. Meet Sing. Gosh, there he says it in the super chat. Meet Sing from Fremont, California, holding Shiba Inu bags. I'm true Shiba loves. I have to go to work now. Sing, thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate that. I am also holding my Shiba Inu. My current average on Shiba is around 53 or 5,400 points per coin. Software's that Clay Bronson. This is Weeble that you are seeing in the background right now. So an offering, yeah, Gorilla. I don't know what's going on. I didn't have any. I don't have any news up here. If you guys got some news on PROG right now, let me know what you got, because this is a 22% decrease, sitting at 347, breaking down through that. Tomorrow, golly bum. Tomorrow, even right now, could be an excellent buy opportunity if you guys can trade after hours. Down 22%, really pulling back. But this has to be news driven. Somebody had to have said something about this. It's causing this sell. Dude, look at my fill holding up right there. Back in the green again, man. My fill ain't crap, dude. My fill is legendary. Look at that 350, man. 357. He said, oh no, Clay's in the red. We gotta make him green again. Adria! Thank you very much, Adria. Really appreciate the super chat. And, let's see here. Adria. You're number 1. You're number 1. Hey, Adria, guess what? You're number 1. Adria, thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate that. You guys are all number 1s. How did you add your average? Sign. So, what do you mean, how did I add my average? Webull automatically calculates an average every time you buy more shares of something. So, that's what I was using there. Dang, man. Well, it's not even going to be a good time to buy tomorrow. It's back up already. What the heck's going on? Back up to 375, dude. What a legendary fill. A legendary fill. Devil's Advocate. Look at that. Touches 350. Boom! Bounces back. I'm hopping off. See you later. Thanks, Clay. Sorry for the chat for keeping it deep. Still gonna rethink humanity. It's alright, dude. Rethink humanity. It'll be okay, though. I promise. It'll be okay. Nice. Thanks, Bronson. Definitely, man. Where can I get a Clay Bro and Clay Hope t-shirt? Couple goals. That would be pretty cool, man. That would be pretty cool. Christmas presents. Christmas presents, maybe. Maybe we can make it happen. Got 3 into a PROG at 350. Shout out to the chat for mentioning this legendary dip. Dang it, man. Look how much PROG Devil's Advocate just added. That he jumped in at 350 and caused that bounce back up. Devil's Advocate, I love it. And yes, guys, thank you. Who was that? Who was that? It said PROG right now. I thought he just meant on the day. Who was that? Let's see. Oh, Danelle saying goodbye. Danelle, if you're still in here. Yes, I'll say goodbye to you in a minute. Have a wonderful day as well. PROG right now. Ouch. Gorilla Invictus. Now, that's what I'm talking about, man. Yeah, Gorilla Invictus. For sure, dude. For sure. Thanks for the shout out on the PROG dip. I unfortunately did not add. I was thinking it's going to keep going down and then maybe tomorrow morning add some, but shoot, dude. Could you imagine grabbing options tomorrow morning and then having some sick bounce right at the beginning and you just triple your money right off the bat? That'd be amazing. PROG going to bounce right back. AMC Trapper, look at it. It's going to bounce right back to where it was, act like it didn't even dip. Hey, Clay, you see Stosh? Call me Alpha. I don't know if I saw that. Did he tweet it today? Because if he tweeted it while I was live, no, I did not see it. PROG has too many problems. Not enough money. Dude, not enough money is always a problem, dude. Find average money spent, dollars, divided by quantity of coins equals your average. John Goldsmith. Yes, so if you want to know your average price, that's how you can do it. Just the total money you spent by the total coins that you earn or that you have. And that's your average in those coins. I mean, your broker should keep track of your average for you. PROG made that to break the stop loss thing. Hey, very well could have been hunting for stop losses, but, you know, PROG wouldn't have done that. It's their last attempt to drop it before T+2 gamma squeeze date for all the options in the money on Friday. I don't know how true that is, but it sounds like some of the thesis, and tomorrow we rip. Maybe. I don't know why they'd be doing that after hours, though. I would have expected it would have been more news-driven than you know, what people would consider manipulation-driven. But I don't know, dude. If they tried, they probably did stop out a lot of people here. But that is a crazy V right there. Devil's Advocate, legendary fill at 350. You got that because my line's on the chart right there. That's why I got that 350 fill. I know it is. Be up, bro. Andre, yes. Yo Mayo. I don't know enough about GALA yet, man. I got to do some more research on it. Just kidding. RB, just kidding on something. I joke. Me too. Yes. Tweeted today. Sounds like really, really good news. Come and call me Alpha. I'll have to check that out then. Look, PROG bounced right back. Down 20-some+%. Bounced right back. Oh my goodness. I cannot believe. Look at that V, man. I cannot believe that it bounced right back to where it was in 5 minutes. Incredible. But it is 5 o'clock right now, guys. So you know what time it is. Get your names in the chat right now. Let's get some shout-outs going. Still got 2 more videos tonight. Crypto starting around 2 of the dump this afternoon. BTC below 56. Hope the recovery this morning wasn't a fake out. Yeah, I also hope that it wasn't a fake out, too. AMC Trapper. Peace out to all the diamond-handed apes and the Shiba Army. Love it, man. If it turns into the world's biggest W, I'm going all in. That would be beautiful, man. Keep an eye on it because I don't know what it's going to do, and I don't know why it dipped, so it seems a little crazy. We're going to get PROG. Any stockbroker is going to have PROG for you, man. PROG is not a coin. PROG is a stock. Robinhood, yeah, you should be able to get PROG on Robinhood, absolutely. No, Andre says, no, Frank, man. Hey, guys, go check out Frank's live stream if you want to learn about options. Frank should be live right now. Bye-bye, Julie Miller. Have a wonderful evening. Trying to learn about options, come over to Frank's channel. Yes, definitely, guys. There's a link right there if you're going to hang out with him. Dirty D5, I want to shout out to you, Clay. You rock. Timuka, you rock, man. Thank you for being in here and hanging out with us in Shiba. Jason, I am in Shiba. Yes, is it Shiba time? Always Shiba time. PROG having a fun after hours study. PROG is having a crazy after hours right now, man. Shout out to Andre, Modot Nation, Clam Falls for the tribe. Something about that. Clay's the man. Andre, you're the man. Thanks, bro. Absolutely, David. Good night. All Johnstontown. Good night to you as well, guys. Enjoy your evenings. Enjoy your dinners. Enjoy your lunches if you're on the West Coast. Have a wonderful evening. Later, jump on Frank's channel. Yes, guys, make sure to do it. Get all of that. Get all that knowledge from Frank that you can. Adria, thank you for the super chat. I come in here for the positivity. We are family. We are in it together, and we build each other up. Adria, now that's what I'm talking about. Absolutely, guys. That is one of the most important things you can do. Honestly, what you do, like somebody, I guarantee, okay? I guarantee, and I'm not going to get caught up on this for too long. I don't know, a year from now, if you don't hang out in the live streams anymore, you will remember hanging out in these live streams and having some fun. You will remember that. So if you ever need some encouragement, you want to hang out, make sure to hang out with us. We're going to keep it positive. We're going to keep it together. We're going to build each other up because we are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. All right, guys, shout out to everybody right now, and it's that time. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.